Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin is poised for a huge reversal as long as this doesn't happen. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, Bitcoin poised for a huge reversal, that is barring this from happening yet again. Before we get into it, like the video, join us on Twitter through Crypto Love, and of course, subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos longer than anybody else. Now today, fear and greed almost at neutral. Look at this, 45. Same territory as last month, but that was neutral territory after some extreme fear. The overall market up 1% today, Bitcoin at 82,810, Ethereum 1893, and XRP 226. Now, Bitcoin still sitting right around the 200-day moving average, this orange line right here, sitting between two price predictions we have, one for 108,000, one for 69,000. We'll kind of have to see where it ends up. But CZ recently posting, don't buy high and sell low. The last time he did this was back in March of 2021. And this was before Bitcoin dropped 53%. Now, does this mean that Bitcoin is going to drop 53%, putting it all the way to like $40-some thousand, $51,000? Well, that's possible. But he could also be saying, don't buy high and sell low. Last time he said buy high and sell low, the end was all lowercase. This time it is all uppercase. He's saying if you already bought, you probably bought high, and then you're going to sell low because this is the low. I don't exactly know. We'll have to ask ChatGPT what it thinks about that. Now, you compound this with, the recent price dip, and everyone's saying recession is coming. This is like the most known about recession ever that everyone has predicted since 2008. Everyone has been talking about this recession, and clearly the one that we just had in 2020 did not do it enough justice. This is the big one. Well, based on jobless claims, this recession would not be evident. Now, historically, since 1982, initial jobless claims layoffs began rising before the economic downturn and accelerated during the actual recession. Today, the claims remain quite low, at least for now. So this suggests maybe the recession is not happening just yet, but what could be happening is right here, a reversal incoming. If we take a look, Bitcoin is showing on the weekly chart RSI at support levels right here with this red line. Oversold stock RSI, bullish crossover down here on the bottom, and Bitcoin at the lower Bollinger Band with contraction signaling decreased volatility. All of these things suggesting we may have a momentum shift ahead, a reversal incoming, because guess what? If Bitcoin is indeed correlated with global M2 money supply, like everyone is saying, well, global M2 is exploding. Expect Bitcoin to follow. And based on this, it would put Bitcoin right up to about $108,000, maybe even by the day I predicted, March 24th. We have 11 more days. Oh, that would be exciting. Now, as more money gets printed, we have a golden cross right here of global liquidity with the moving average. Every time we have a breakout, look at this, nice bull runs, every single breakout. Look at this beautiful breakout of global liquidity, meaning that, hey, it's probably time for Bitcoin. Also, mining difficulty continuing to rise. You know what that means? I don't know what it means, but apparently it means the Bitcoin top is not in yet. Times when mining difficulty went down, the top was in. So far, mining difficulty still increasing, which means the top is not in. And Bitcoin has made a full return to the low RSI Bollinger Band percent levels. And guess what? It doesn't stay there for long. Each time we see these green arrows right here, and each time those were local lows, meaning that most likely we have another leg up to go before things will end. Right now, it's looking very similar to the 2016 and 2017 chart. Slow start and then big breakout. If history repeats, Bitcoin pump could be just beginning. We're about to relive 2017, which was one of the best bull runs for Bitcoin. It went on for a long time and price went up quite high. As a matter of fact, we're roughly, in terms of 2017 terms, Bitcoin was at about $1,000 before going to $20,000. Could we 20x from here? Oh, goodness, that would be awesome. $1.6 million for Bitcoin this cycle. Oh, I would love that. Now, Bitcoin's final surge rally is still missing. We have not had green candle banana territory yet. Not too late for this to happen at this point. You just need to have a little bit of faith. We do have a completed head and shoulders pattern, and the retest is done. That would mean the next target, $340,000 per Bitcoin. And guess what? Michael Saylor's valuation, $13.4 million per Bitcoin in 20 years. That's a little bit more than the price is right now. But if you take a look, it just keeps on growing and growing and growing. Now, 2032 is $1 million year, which is still a long way off for people who want to be rich right now. But hey, we're getting there. So that's all for this video. If you enjoy it, there's a playlist right up there with your name on it. I'll catch you later. Or maybe it's there. I can't even remember today. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
Boom, shakalaka.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.